But won't that bewilder beast just take control of these guys, too?
They're babies! They don't listen to anyone!
Yeah, just like us.
This is very dangerous! Some might suggest this is poorly conceived.
Well, it's a good thing that I never listened.
Wow! So, what is your plan?
Get Toothless back and kick Drago's...
Heads up!
And that thing.
Oh!
That's a good boy. What's the furniture? Where are you going?
Your chief is dead!
Stoic?
No one can protect you now!
No. He took all the dragons.
Distract the Alpha. Try to keep his focus off of Toothless.
How?
Have you forgotten who you're riding with? There isn't a dragon alive that I can't wrangle. Ah, set for this one!
Amateur.
Hey, look! It's Hiccup!
What?
Keep them coming!
Black sheep, baby!
I'm okay!
You certainly are hard to get rid of. I'll say that.
Toothless? Hey. It's me, bud. It's me. It's me. I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. But please, oh great Dragon Master, try to take him. He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!